how to view your card details in the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need your Wise card number, CVV or expiry date for an online purchase, well in today's video I'll show you how to quickly and securely view your Wise card details right inside the app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the cards tab at the bottom of the screen, and here you will see your physical and digital cards. And there you can just tap on view details, and you may be asked to verify your identity either with your fingerprint, face ID or a passcode. And here once verified, you will see your full card number, expiration date and CVV code. That is everything that you need to shop online or fill out a form. And here always make sure that you are in a secure environment when viewing your card details, and never share your screenshots with everyone. And that's it. That's how easy it is to view your Wise card details inside the app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.